So, hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram. So, we have to solve this problem. It's called as grid path easy. Okay, though they have written easy, that does not mean that it is easy for you. Okay, it is the name of the question easy. So, there are two versions, easy and hard, but easy version does not mean that it's easy for everyone. So, basically, if I try to sum up the problem for you, they are saying that. Please have faith in God plus good health plus good mindset. I wrote this when I was one-to-one mentoring students today. I did lots of one-to-one mentoring today. Okay. And also, guys, special congratulations to our student Aman Kumar. He was from Tier 4 college. He got zero placement from college. When he came to the program last year in September, he was a beginner in coding, learning for loop if else. Also, he was hospitalized and having health issues. Still, he managed everything and he cracked off campus 15 LPSD offer from the USA product based company Enable. He used to go to the every Saturday Sunday off campus job search training, okay? And he used the referrals and everything else in the best way possible. So, I want you guys also to follow the similar pathway as Aman Kumar. He is an inspiration for us. There are people who crack Amazon and Google also in the program. But did I ever say that they are inspiration? No. I'm calling him as inspiration because his initial situation is much worse than most of you. Okay? And that's what determines your level of success in your own eyes. So with the name of God, Ram Ram, we always start everything with the name of God, Ram Ram. So guys, they are saying like you just need to get the feeling of the problem. Don't worry, it's very easy. Nothing complicated. You are given a matrix which has only two rows like this. Like this, you just have two rows in the matrix. So you will say, sir, what's the problem? Like it's just easy, right? Row one, and then this is row two. Two rows are there. No problem you have in your life, right? Yes, I have no problem in my life. There is this row 1 and there is this row 2. Okay. Now what to do? All the values are filled with ones or zeros. One, 0. Like these, all the values are filled up. So there are two rows, row 1 and row 2, and all the values of this binary matrix, like there are two rows and there can be n columns. So you guys understand these things intuitively. This thing is given to you, that's it. 2 cross n matrix, all zero, some zeros and some ones. You have to find a path from 1 comma 1. This is called as 1 comma 1 location to 2 comma n. You have to find a path from 1 comma 1 to 2 comma n. You can only go to right direction or downward direction. So everyone react with emojis if everyone has understood the question till here. Let's quickly make up a Google document also for this thing. So just let me show you how interesting and how brilliant this particular problem is. So let me write it here as grid path. Okay, so it is code chef starters. वो ये लोग जब स्टार्टर्स लिखते हैं ना तो मुझे वो खाने की याद आ जाती है, क्या पता क्या नाम दे दिया है। एक तो क्वेश्चन इतने हार्ड होते हैं और कॉन्टेस्ट का नाम स्टार्टर्स दे के रखा है, तो फिर मेन कोर्स और डेजर्ट अलग ही टाइप के क्वेश्चन होंगे उसमें। तो थोड़ा सा इनके मार्केटिंग टीम को थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना चाहिए। पहले तो भी मजा आता था, कुक ऑफ, लंच टाइम, डिनर, अभी स्टार्टर्स डाल दिए। एनीवेज, कोड शेफ स्टार्टर्स 191 ग्रिड पाथ इजी। If you want to have fun, you can have fun in small things in life. By Kumar K. Sir. Yeah. So 1 2 3 4 5. अब मेरे को मैं खुद को भी कुमार के सर बोलता हूँ. So funny. Yeah. So guys, this is the link to the problem. You have understood that the problem is pretty simple. You don't have to do anything. Very simple, right? Obviously, who's your mentor? Your mentor for this session is Kumar K. Let me fix it up for you. And yeah, you are in his pro batch cohort, you know that. Okay, training. Okay, and my LinkedIn, which you already know. Let me put that link also if someone does not know. So this is my LinkedIn. Let me copy it up for you people, and I put it here. Ram Ram. Okay. So just let me fix it. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Good. So guys, the understanding says that the things are pretty simple. You are given 2 cross n binary matrix. You have to make sure there is a path. You have to make sure that there is a path from 1 comma 1 to 2 comma n, such that each cell on the selected path is equal to 1. The value such that value of each cell on the selected path 1. If it is not possible, you can do some operation to achieve it. So guys, like what I'm trying to say, lovely people, is that you are given a 2 cross n binary matrix, right? You have to make sure that there is a path from 1 comma 1 to 2 cross n. If it is not happening, then you can do some operations to achieve it. So guys, I'm going to open the Google chat, and you guys have to tell me the full path, the coordinates of the path from 1 comma 1 to 2 comma n, such that all the values on that path are equal to 1. No zero should come in your path, and you can only go right or down, and you have to start from here. All react with emojis if all are ready to write the path. Don't write the path in Google chat, write the path in the pro group. You guys start writing the path in the pro group. Guys, lovely students, I really love you. Please write the path in the pro group, please. Okay. Yeah, so let's see what the people in the pro group are writing. The path is very simple, guys. You will go from 1 comma 1 till here, then like this, then you will go down one time, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. So path is you visit cell 1 comma 1, then you go to cell 2 comma 1. Google, please. Google, Kakati. Write this path in the pro group immediately. 1 comma 1. You go to 2 comma 1, then you go to 3 comma 1, then you go to 4 comma 1, then you go to 4 comma 2 down, then 5 comma 2, then 6 comma 2, then 7 comma 2, then 8 comma 2, and then 9 comma 2. This is the actual path. Okay. uh yeah, sorry, I mean, from 4, oh sorry, it's called as okay, I wrote the wrong one. It's called, this is called as 1 comma 2, this is 1 comma 3, this is 1 comma 4, and this is 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8, 2 comma 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I got it. So this is the path. Did the other people write in the pro group and they understood it? Okay. Okay. So you people do understand these things. Everyone react with love emojis if you guys understand these things. Okay. Now guys, to make it easy now, you just write the path in these terms. Like right, down, right. Okay, so I will give you one more example. Can you guys tell me any valid path? This is 1 comma 1, this is 1 comma 2, this is 1 comma 3, this is 1 comma 4, this is 1 comma 5, this is 2 comma 1, this is 2 comma 2, this is 2 comma 3, this is 2 comma 4, this is 2 comma 5. All the lovely students in this meeting, can all of you just in a combined fashion tell me that what path will you take? You have to start from here. You start here. So first you will go in which direction, right or down? You cannot go down because there is a 0. You can only travel the cells whose values is 1. and you can only go right or down in one move. In one move, you can only go right or down. So I have opened the Google Chat. I want you people to tell me in the Google Chat itself now. What is the path? First, you will go to right, so R. Then again, you will go to right, R. Then again, you will go to right, R. Then again, you will go to right, R. Four times R, then you will go down, D. Four triple R, one more R, R, D, R, 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 D. हाँ, अपने मन में वो गाली मत सोचना, ठीक है? अब पात ही ऐसा आ गया तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? सो फोर टाइम्स आर एंड देन डी. बहुत मजा आ गया, वेरी गुड. सो गाइज, फोर टाइम्स आर एंड देन यू हैव टू गो टू डी. ओके. But guys, is it always possible? No, it is not always possible. Wait, let me show you something. Can anyone tell me what is the path this time? To go from the start location to the end location. Can you guys go from start location to end location, right? Yes, sir, or no, sir? Can anyone tell me why it is not possible? What is the problem? You can go now, sir. Listen, like this, then this. I will first visit this cell, then this cell, then this cell. What is the problem? No, I have not gone to diagonal. I'm visiting this, and then this. So what is the problem? Can anyone tell me what is the problem? We cannot go through a cell whose value is 0. It is written in the question. You can only travel the cells right or down. You can only travel the cells right or down or whatever the heck you want, such that the value on of each cell on the selected path should be 1. Okay, beta? Okay, G. So you want to find the minimum number of operations needed to make sure the grid have a write down path. Guys, see, write down path needs to be there from there. Okay, write down path, not any kind of path. So better be careful, beta. Okay, write down path you need to have. Okay, okay. But guys, now if it is not happening, then you can do some kind of operation, right? What operation can you do? Can anyone tell me? Operation which you can do is just let me check. Operation which you can do is you can swap the elements, right? Just a second, let me check. Yes, guys, you can swap any two adjacent elements. So guys, which operation can we do to achieve our task? Operation allowed is very simple. Swap any two adjacent elements in the same row. Oh wow, what a nice, lovely question. I am so happy about it. Life is so interesting. Wow. इस पूरे प्रोग्राम में मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मजा सिर्फ डीएसए ट्रेनिंग देने में ही आता है. बाकी सब में मुझे बहुत रोना आता है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी नाउ, क्योंकि आज मैंने सुबह सुबह ही 10 घंटा 1-to-1 मेंटरिंग की है. उसमें मेरा बहुत दिमाग खराब हुआ. लोगों के अलग अलग पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम आ रहे थे, सब बहुत डील करना पड़ा. अब जाके मेरे माइंड को कुछ रिलैक्सेशन मिला है. सो नाउ guys, you can swap any two adjacent elements in the same row. So what to do? Tell me. अब देखते हैं आपका दिमाग कितना चलता है. By the way, you can see that I solved this problem in the contest, right? Guys, react with love emoji if you can see I solved this problem in the contest itself. Okay, then only you get the right tick. So the thing is, what did I think? I will tell you. See, in a human perspective. So let's say it is looking like this. This is row number 1, this is row number 2, this is column 1, 2, 3. Is there any path? Just react with emojis and tell me, is there any path such that you can go right, down, then right and reach like from this to end? Can you reach it? No, there is no path. There is no path. There is no path, right? React with emoji na. Agar path hai to like emoji. Path nahi hai to dislike emoji. There is no path like that. Okay. I will open the Google chat and you guys have to tell me specifically Google. You know, there is one new student in the June batch, guys. His name is Google. Okay. He's in this meeting also. Nami Google hai. Anyway, so Google, please tell me what swaps will you perform on which cells, and other people also. In the Google chat, you guys have to write two swaps which you will perform. You can choose any two adjacent elements, means you can select index I and you can select index I plus 1. Whatever are the elements at index I and I plus 1, you can swap them, baby. You can swap them. So currently there is no path possible. But guys, you can do some swap operation and make this grid in such a grid which makes it possible to have a path of ones from 1 comma 1 to 2 comma 3. तो कौन सा swap करेंगे? Which two cells will you swap? You guys are going to swap 1 comma 2 with 1 comma 3. You need to swap this. Then the grid will become like what? 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now there is a path like this. You have to swap the cells 1 comma 2 with 1 comma 3. So what happened is that this one came here and this 0 went there. Can you see it? Done, 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 done. Can you feel it? Everyone write yes sir in the Google chat if they've understood that you can just select a row and in that row you can swap any two adjacent elements. Now you have to make sure it is possible by doing the minimum number of swaps. Do minimum number of swaps. Minimum number of swaps to make sure that there is a path. That's it guys. Life is that easy. बस आप minimum number of swaps कर लो, आपका काम बन जाएगा. Now guys, there is two ways to teach you the problem. One way is the way I solved it in a human fashion in the contest, and other way is the general YouTuber way. Just come and tell you the solution. If you want the first way, which is human analysis, react love emoji. Okay, you want human analysis only, great job. And if you want the robotic way, then react with other emoji. Anyways, that was just a joke. I am going to teach you in human way only. So love emojis are there. Great job. Okay. Ashish, love emoji only. Okay. So guys, मेरे को क्वेश्चन पढ़ के सबसे पहली चीज ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या आया, देखते तुमको ये ऑब्जर्वेशन आया कि नहीं. My observation was that Kumar K, you are a teacher to hundreds of students. So observation is that swaps can only be done on the row. Swaps cannot be done on the column. Column swaps are just not allowed. Column swaps are just not allowed. It means the elements will change but in the same row. For example, I can treat the rows independently. This can be treated independently and this also can be treated independently. Why? Whatever swaps you do in the second row, those numbers will remain in the second row only. Na? They have no relation with the first row. Whatever swaps, adjacent element swaps you do in the first row, whatever operations you do, they will remain in the first row only. The swaps can be done independently on the first row and the second row. There will be no column swap. You cannot select a column and swap the elements of a column. No, 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 no. So you can independently do the swaps at in the first row and independently in the second row. They don't have any specific relation with each other. Apart from the relation which I will tell later on. But currently इधर जो swap करना है करो, इधर जो करना है करो. दोनों अलग अलग है. दोनों का एक दूसरे से कुछ ऐसा हो नहीं रहा है. All react with emoji if this is clear to them. Analysis. Or let me write observation. Both the rows are independent in terms of operations. Operations done on row 1 are not dependent on operations are not dependent directly to operations done on row 2. So these basic things are clear to you people. But now guys, a question comes in the mind. How should we do the operations? How should we do the operations? हाउ शुड वी डू द ऑपरेशंस? सो गाइज, क्या ये थॉट आपके भी दिमाग में आता है कि सर हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के कि ऑपरेशन करना है ताकि यहां से यहां तक हम ओनली वन पाथ में ट्रेवल कर पाए, बट सर कैसे करें? हमारे हाथ में है क्या? हाँ, तुम्हारे ही हाथ में है, बताता हूँ. सो व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज दैट you always try to imagine the problem like this. Forget the zeros and ones. Whatever is a good path, how will a good path look like? First of all, how will a good path look like, guys? How will a good path look like? If you can imagine this, your problem is solved. How will a good path look like? My answer is that till a particular index I, we will go on the right hand side like this. Then only one time we will go down. Down will not come more than one time. And then we will go to right forever. कितने लोग इस बात से अग्री करते हैं कि आफ्टर ऑल द ऑपरेशंस आर डन, द फाइनल गुड पाथ विल लुक लाइक दिस ओनली. देयर विल बी अ इंडेक्स आई जहां तक तुम राइट पे जाओगे, फिर एक बार नीचे जाना पड़ेगा बेटा, एक बार जाना पड़ेगा नीचे, नीचे गए फिर राइट पे जाना. यही हो सकता है और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. क्या तुमको समझ आया मैं क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं? गुड पाथ ऐसा ही दिख सकता है. देयर इज नो अदर आंसर टू दिस लाइज इन हाउ डज अ गुड path look like in the end? So, well, the answer is pretty simple. What does a good path look like in the end? Yeah. Google Docs trying to teach us proper English. Congratulations to Google Docs. So, what does a good path look like? First you go to right till index I, then you do one down operation, then you do remaining right operations. What is the minimum swaps needed to make sure you can achieve this for given I? There can be many different I's ना. I की possibilities बहुत है. क्या क्या possibilities है देखो बताता हूँ. For I equal to 1, if you try to go with I equal to 1, what will your path look like? Path will look like this, guys. See, you started here, you went down, and then you went to right like this. If you go for I equal to 2, you don't know which one will give minimum. You need to try all. If you go for I equal to 2, what will the path look like? One step to right, and on index 2 you go below, and then like this. Similarly, guys, I am not writing for all. Like if you go for, let's say, I equal to 5, you need to go to the right till the end, till fifth position, and then in the end, then down. Guys, everyone react with love emojis if they understand that there can be n different ways to reach it. N different ways are there. One way is when you select I as 1, मतलब इसी पोजीशन में नीचे जाओ फिर राइट चले जाओ. I equal to 2 मतलब दूसरे इंडेक्स तक राइट पे जाओ, फिर नीचे जाओ, फिर राइट पे जाओ. I equal to 3 मतलब तीसरे तक राइट जाओ, फिर नीचे जाओ, फिर आगे जाओ. I equal to 4 मतलब 4 तक राइट जाओ, फिर एक बार नीचे जाओ, फिर एंड तक पहुंचो. यही है बेटा, समझ गए बात को? All react with love emoji if this is clear in everyone's head. Deep clear. Guys, my question is, how will you solve it for a given I? समझो, I want to forcefully achieve it. Forcefully achieve it for the given I. अरे आपको बस लाइफ में एंजॉय करना है, ज्यादा मत सोचो दूसरे लोग भाड़ में जाए. अच्छा, मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल दिया. यू जस्ट हैव टू एंजॉय, डोंट वरी अबाउट अदर पीपल. क्लियर? सो what I was trying to say is that how will you forcefully achieve the answer for I? Can anyone tell me, if you want to achieve the answer for index I, basically I want the best answer such that my down position is happening at I only. So how will you find the answer for a given I? Means forcefully you will go. like this to the right hand side, then you will go down and then you will go right. Guys, can anyone tell me what conditions need to be fulfilled for this? What conditions need to be fulfilled for this? All the elements from 1 to I should be 1. All the elements in the prefix 1 to I of the first row should be 1. दिमाग की ट्यूबलाइट जगी, क्या चाहिए इसके रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है ये पाथ जनरेट करने के लिए? Everyone start writing in the Google chat what is the requirement to generate a path at index I. The requirement is that all the elements somehow from index 1 to I should be 1, and all the elements in the suffix of the second row from index I to n should also be 1. नहीं तो ये हो ही नहीं सकता. No, Mukund Das, you are not writing it properly. Suraj Singh wrote it. No. Yes, you wrote it correct. अच्छे से लिखो ना इंग्लिश में. All the prefix, like all the values in the first row till index I should be 1. Like all the values in the prefix of size I in the first row should be 1, and all the values in the suffix from I to n of the second row should also be 1. समझ गए? Okay, Google, when will you write this definition? So the definition is pretty simple. All values of first row till index I should be 1, and all values of the second row suffix from index I to n should be 1. That's it, guys. That's it. The problem has been solved. Now what to do? Let me call a P1 of I as what? Minimum swaps. Minimum swaps to make all the first I elements of the row equal to 1 of the first row equal to 1. मतलब कितने स्वैप्स लगेंगे ताकि फर्स्ट रो के जो फर्स्ट आई एलिमेंट्स है ना वो गारंटीड 1 हो जाए. अगर ये 1 नहीं होंगे तो अपना पाथ कैसे बनेगा बेटा? समझे बात को? राइट, ब्रिलियंट सर. इफ यू हैव नाउ अंडरस्टूड द सॉल्यूशन, that you will make a prefix array P1 of I, which will somehow calculate the minimum swaps required to make all the first I elements of the first row equal to 1. Can anyone tell me what will be the meaning of P2 of I? P2 of I know you are enjoying it, baby. I know that. P2 of I मतलब क्या? Minimum swaps required in the second row such that everything from I to n is 1. P2I means what? ना, किसने अच्छे से नहीं लिखा. All the values, yeah. Yes, आदित्य शंकर जा, congratulations, really. P2 of I का definition क्या होगा? अरे कॉपी करके बोल दो. लिखो गूगल चैट में, minimum swaps to make all the suffix from index, like all the suffix to make all the elements from I till n in second row equal to 1. So guys, what will be the answer? Answer will be what? P1 of I plus P2 of I. P1 of I का मतलब क्या है? P1 of I का मतलब है the number of swaps you did to make sure कि भाई 1 से लेके I तक ये जितना भी है ना ये पूरा 1 होना चाहिए. इसको करने का कितना खर्चा आएगा वो P1 of I बता रहा है तुमको. I से लेके n तक सेकंड रो में सबको 1 करने का कितना खर्चा आएगा वो P2 of I बता रहा है. तो आंसर क्या हुआ? P1 of I plus P2 of I. Everyone write P1 of I plus P2 of I. P1 of I. थैंक यू आशीष कुशवाहा, मुकुद दास, गूगल ककाटी, गोविंद चौधरी. इन लोगों ने मेहनत की, इनके लिए कांग्रेचुलेशन इमोजी डालो, इन्होंने लिखा है. ठीक है गाइज, राइट ना? P1I plus P2I. समझ रहे हो ना? ऐसे हवे में तो नहीं. P1I plus P2I मतलब समझ रहे हो ना? P1I मतलब मैंने 1 से लेके I का पहला रो सॉल्व कर दिया, सबको 1 कर दिया. P2I मतलब I से लेके n तक मैंने सेकंड रो को सॉल्व कर दिया. तो अब जुड़ जाएंगे ना, बीच में डाउन पोजीशन आएगा. समझ रहे हो फीलिंग? You have many feelings for girls, but who will bring the feelings for question? ये जो ब्लू पार्ट है ये P1I है, ये जो दूसरा ब्लू पार्ट है P2I है. अगर P1I P2I हो गया तो नीचे तो बीच में वर्टिकली डाउन एक बार कोई भी जा सकता है ना. ये भी वन ही होगा, ये भी वन ही होगा. डन, सॉल्व. So guys, what will be the final answer? We will do this for all the i's. फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा? कोई एक लाइन में बोलेगा व्हाट विल बी द इक्वेशन फॉर द फाइनल आंसर. फाइनल आंसर विल बी मिनिमम ऑफ फाइनल आंसर कॉमा P1 ऑफ I प्लस P2 ऑफ I. ऐसे हर आई के लिए करते जाएंगे. डन 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 डन. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. भूल जाइए सब कुछ, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो चुकी है. क्लियर. बट गाइज वन थिंग आई डिड नॉट एड्रेस. कैन एनीवन टेल मी? ये पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया बट एक चीज सर ने नहीं बताया. क्या चीज सर ने नहीं बताया अब तक? सर ने क्या नहीं बताया? हाउ टू फाइंड P1 ऑफ I. P1 ऑफ I क्या बोला तुमने? डिक्लेयर्ड एज मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्वैप्स नीडेड इन द फर्स्ट रो टू मेक श्योर all the first I elements are 1. But what is the procedure to do that? Well, we will find that and the job is done. So guys, do you understand that now the whole question is about finding P1 of I. ये सब अब कोई मैटर ही नहीं करते. P1I निकाल दिया तो P2I तो निकाल ही लोगे ना, बच्चे थोड़ी हो. और दोनों को ऐड भी कर ही लोगे, सब I का मिनिमम भी ले ही लोगे. Right? Yes sir. If you just want to know now the how to calculate P1I, rest all you can do on your own, right? No, it's not n square, Sai Harsha. If you pay little bit attention, okay? So what I mean to say, lovely people, is that you need to increase your focus, intensely focus. So I will only consider one array. बाकी सब भाड़ में जाए. Only one row. This is my index I. 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So guys, what will be P1 of phi? First of all, फाइनल में कैसा दिखना चाहिए? पहले इनिशियल एरे को इमेजिन करते. गाइज इनिशियली ऐसा दिख रहा है. फाइनली कैसा दिखना चाहिए? सब लोग इसका फाइनल वर्जन का पिक भेजो ना. अगर P1 ऑफ phi अचीव करना है तो फाइनल में कैसा दिखना चाहिए? करंटली ऐसा दिख रहा है. आई वॉन्ट P1 phi, मतलब फर्स्ट phi एलिमेंट शुड बी 1. So how will the final thing look like after all the lovely swaps are done? 5 times 1 will come, right? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. 0 0 0 0. क्या कोई मुझे दिमाग लगा के बोल सकता है कि इसमें पूरा कितना खर्चा पानी आया होगा? मैं बताऊं कितना खर्चा पानी आया? मैं बताऊं? कॉमन सेंस. यूज द ग्रीडी अप्रोच. एवरीवन राइट, ग्रीडी अप्रोच. ग्रीडी अप्रोच मतलब ये वाले 1 को पहले आगे धकेलो, इसको आगे धकेल के इधर लाओ तो कैसा दिखेगा? यहां पर 1 दिखेगा और ये सब अब 0 हो जाएगा, राइट? धकेल धकेल के स्वैप किया ना, 2 स्वैप तो इसमें चले गए बेटा. अब ये वाले 1 को धकेलो और इसको आगे लाओ, कितना स्वैप लगेगा? ये वाला 1 फोर्थ पोजीशन पे आने वाला है. 1 स्वैप, 2 स्वैप, 3 4 5 स्वैप लग गया. अब ये वाला 1 इधर आ चुका है और ये सब 0 हो चुका है. अब ग्रीडीली क्या करना है? ये वाले 1 को उठाइए, चुपचाप स्वैप मारिए, चुपचाप, लाइक दिस. यस बेबी, या. ये वाला 1 उठ के इधर आ चुका है बेटा, काम हो गई सेटिंग. सो इसको कितने स्वैप लगे? 1 2 3 4 5. सो लगभग 12 स्वैप्स लग रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक. व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? 12. एंड गाइस, डू यू नो, this is called as the, whenever you are dealing with adjacent swaps now, this is a very famous standard algorithm to generate the minimum cost in DSA. Most of the people don't know. If you are only doing DSA sheets, you will not know this, but the general consensus says that the answer is what? Answer is nothing but final position minus initial position. Everyone right? Total cost is always इनिशियल पोजीशन माइनस फाइनल पोजीशन. सब लोग लिखो, इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल, इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल. सब लोग लिख दो. We don't need to do 2 pointers, Google Kakati. That can give you wrong answer also if you don't work on the pointers correctly. इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल का मतलब समझ रहे हो क्या होगा? समझ रहे हो इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल का मतलब क्या होगा? कोई मुझे बता सकता है? इनिशियली वन की लोकेशंस कौन कौन सी थी? बताना चालू करो, लिखो गूगल चैट में एवरीवन. What were the initial locations of the one? Index 1, okay, then index 2, okay, plus 2, then index 5, okay sir, then index 9, then index 10. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10. मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो बेटा? प्लस करके लिखो. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10. These are the sum of the initial position. समझ गए बात को? Yes, Google Kakadi, we can surely do that, but that's a little messy. Yes, तो सब लोग लिखो ना 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10. तब तक मुझे फीलिंग नहीं आएगी. ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना है तो उसका कॉपी पेस्ट करके तो लिखो बेटा. हाँ ठीक है. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 10. ओके ठीक है. रियल में ऐड नहीं करना था. These are the initial position. Subtract them by the final position. What is the final position? अरे I equal to 5. Final तो पता ही है. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. This sum you can calculate in one time, right? 1 से लेके 5 तक के नंबर्स का सम एक झटके में निकाल सकते हो. बचपन में पढ़ाया था कि नहीं पढ़ाया था? 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2. ये भी नहीं आता तो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में जाओ, 5th स्टैंडर्ड में जाओ. ये सब नहीं आता तो this is the responsibility of your 5th to 10th standard teacher. If they did not teach you the sum of 1 to I, go and ask them for refund of their fees. Half of that fees you give to Kumar K sir, or you can give the full and double also, and I will teach you these basic things. The sum of the numbers from 1 to I. अगर आपको नहीं आता तो जाइए अपने टीचर के साथ, उससे पैसा रिटर्न मांगिए, मेरे को भेज दीजिए, मैं आपको पढ़ा दूंगा. क्लियर? सबको आता है, गुड. कोई इसको भी रिफंड नहीं मांगना 5th स्टैंडर्ड के टीचर से, राइट? ओके गुड. नाउ राइट यस सर इफ एवरीवन नोज द सम ऑफ नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to I. राइट यस सर. ओके no problem Sai Harsha, you can contact your teacher. So now listen to me very very carefully. अब ध्यान से सुनो. तो ये तो हो गया ना, कैलकुलेट करना ही क्या है? अरे बच्चों वाला क्वेश्चन है, क्या करना है इसमें? कुछ नहीं करना है. यू जस्ट नीड टू नो व्हाट P1 of I is what? Sum of first I locations of 1 in the original array. ये तो एक झटके में प्रीफिक्स सम से कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा. माइनस sum of 1 to I. This can be calculated in O of 1, right? I into I plus 1 by 2. लो हो गया कैलकुलेट. अब कोई मुझे बोलना चाहेगा कि सर ये कैसे करूंगा सर? मैं सम ऑफ फर्स्ट आई लोकेशंस ऑफ 1 कैसे बताऊंगा? अरे 1 जहां भी आ रहा है एक नया एरे बना लो. वेयर इज 1 कमिंग? 1 is coming at location 1 2 5 9 10. Make a one array. One array will look like this. 1 is coming at index 1 2 5 9 10 like this. Okay. At any index I तुम इनका सम तो निकाल ही सकते हो ना प्रीफिक्स सम रख के. Make a prefix sum array of this one and immediately you will know the sum of these first I locations. Right? Yes sir. Enjoyed sir. Brilliant sir. अगर दिमाग में सब क्लियर हो गया what you have to do in this problem. लिखो लिखो गूगल चैट में अच्छे से लिखो, बाद में ग्रुप में भी अच्छे से लिखना है. ब्रिलियंट सर, ग्रेट सर, यस सर, गुड सर, सब होना चाहिए. ब्रिलियंट और ग्रेट सर लिखना ज्यादा जरूरी है. ठीक है? ओके गुड. नाउ गाइज we have to go ahead. Mukud's great sir. Sir also you have to write. Now, so you can calculate P1I, P2I in O of 1 if you pre-calculate the ones of I and zeros of I. And guys, react with emojis if I don't need to tell you P2 of I कैसे करना है. वो सफिक्स में कर लेना, सफिक्स की पोजीशंस बनाना चालू कर देना, सेम एल्गोरिथम पीछे से. Okay, so guys, what will be the final time complexity after all this is said and done? O of n time. Like, just let me write here. कुछ तो हो रहा है. Takes O of n time. You will need like 3-4 extra arrays, prefix array, ones arrays, zeros arrays, whatever. 4 and 5 and space, but you can, just I think 4 arrays will be needed. That's what I think. Like at least 3 will be needed for sure. Okay. Why will 3 be needed? Well, the ones array, then the prefix 1 array and the suffix 1 array, right? So this much you do need. You can do in 2 sub arrays also. Okay. 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 Everyone write yes sir if it's clear to all. Ram Ram.